What's up? How many words? Two should be enough. Yes, it's two. Yes, two. Sorry. How would you want to be strong one? Take it now. Mhm. Hello, everyone. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, depending on where you're joining from. It's another beautiful evening from the city of Lagos. Can you hear me, please? All right. How are we doing? How are we doing? I mean, guys, welcome to the June Bootcamp FM, channel 1 point something, whatever I want to call it. We'll call it channel 1.5. All right. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can anyone hear me? Can anyone hear me? Can anyone hear me? Oh, man. Can you guys hear me? Let me know. Comments in the put a comment in the thingy down there. Let me know. Let me know. Put a comment in the thingy down there. All right. Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Can you people hear me? Hello. Yeah. I'm just speaking to them right now. So I will update you on the meeting. All right. Talk to me. Okay, people says yes, we can hear you. Yes, can hear you. All right, people. Let's do what we usually do. Good evening once again. Let's go on the community on what's it called? WhatsApp. Yes, and let's go say we are live. Let's go put we are live on the WhatsApp session. Yes, let's go put we are live with a fire on the WhatsApp call and tag two people that needs to be on this call. Tag two people that needs to be on this call. Yes, two people that are on the call. Tag them. I didn't see Olumide. That's all. I didn't see him on call yesterday. Tag him. Is Yinka on the call? If he's not on the call, someone should tag him also. I know Ifeanyi should be on the call. I know Favor is on the call. Dami, are you on the call? I believe Dami should be. Dami is a newbie in the house. Is she on the call? Let me know. Aside Dami, who else is on the call? Gabriel is on the call. But I mean, Let's go drop on the WhatsApp session. Let's go drop on the WhatsApp session that we are live. Let's go on the WhatsApp group. We are live with fire emoji, guys. We are live. We are live. All right. It's another beautiful evening in the city of Lagos, like I mentioned earlier. And I'm seeing that you guys haven't said anything just yet, which means some of you are stubborn head. And I don't want to believe that there are stubborn heads in this place. So, I don't understand. See, listen, guys, listen. I keep telling you this thing over and over again. Yes, there is no succeeding, yes, without you following instructions. If you feel like you can't follow instructions, you cannot succeed. It's that simple. You can't succeed if you can't follow instructions. Do you understand? So talk to me, guys. Talk to me. I'm waiting for. I want to see it on the call. Okay, I can see Dami already said we are live. You see, I love Dami energy. Dami, nice one. I love your energy. Nice one. Welcome on board. Dami says we are live. Favor says we are live. Okay. You need to tag someone to join the call right now. Tag someone to join the call. Yes, Olumide has missed call twice. Inka has missed call. Inka told me he wasn't feeling so well yesterday. That was why he joined the call today. Yes, but he has missed call. And it doesn't make sense. He misses two calls in a row. You understand? It's not right. So let's tag him. Gabriel has said we are live. Okay. All right. So I'm going to give you guys a quick one to go and drop a comment. We are live, and let us carry on. Okay. Guys, guess what? I'm thinking of starting TikTok. What do you think? Hi guys, I'm just trying to stall for another person to join, honestly, guys. But I mean, let me know where you're joining in from. It's very important. I need to know where you're joining in from. So drop on the comment section. I'm joining in from Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, Dublin, Tokyo, Sydney, Asia, Japan, Korea. Just drop it on the comment section. Let me know where you're joining in from. Let me know where you are joining in from. Someone should tag on Nyechi to join the call. Yes, okay. Gabriel has tagged 2 people already. So let's us tag someone. Tag on Nyechi. I believe we have people who are not on this call. Which 7 people should be on the call. 7 people should be on the call. 7 people should be on this call. If we don't have 7 people on the call, then something is wrong. Something is wrong somewhere. All right, my people, how are we doing? Okay. So I mean, tonight's gonna be a great night. Just drop in the comment section where you're joining in from. Put it in the comment section where you're joining in from. Let's know. Where you're joining in from Lagos, from Abuja, from Kaduna, from Borno, from Zanzibar. Just drop it in the comment section. Let's see. Yes. Let us see. But that being said, while that is coming in, I'm gonna just proceed. Yes, good evening once again officially. It's day 3. If you're excited, put yay. Day 3 of us trying to show up on the chart to make money. And today we're this close to making money. If you believe, say amen. If you believe, say amen. We're this close to making money today. Since Monday, we've not made money. We've just been dormant. The market has been doing this thing, and today we're this close to making money. The market missed us by 2 pips and played out. Like, what is more painful than that? After waiting for 2 days or 3 days, when the market is not supposed to play out, now by 2 pips and that plays out. Doesn't make sense. But I mean, I wasn't so hurt. I wasn't so hurt. You understand me? I need that visit tomorrow is another day. I'm gonna see another opportunity tomorrow. And like they always say, yes, wealth is not in what you see, but it's in what you have up here. You understand? You are the wealth yourself. If you are not wealth, you cannot create riches. Yes, there's a difference between wealth and riches. Riches is basically things that come and go. Wealth is what? Wealth is the creator of riches. If you don't have a wealthy mind, you cannot create riches, basically. Yeah. So I'm very much cool. I feel like some of the people who are the most what's the word now to use? The most unsettled, yes, that's the word, the most unsettled are those ones who do not see themselves as wealthy. Yes, because when you see yourself as a wealthy person, you automatically know that okay, you can always recreate wealth no matter where you find yourself. You understand? That's why I don't that's why I do not for any reason, I do not for any reason try to, do anything out of the ordinary. You get me? I don't try to chase trades. I don't try to show up. Like if I don't see a setup, I'm cool, guys. I don't force it. Do you understand? And I believe you guys are here to, you guys are here to give me a minute, guys. Give me just 1 minute. Let me quickly attend to something. Just 1 minute. All right, sorry about that. That's really attend to something ASAP. Yes. I believe we already have our tutors backstage here, but before I bring them on, guys, before I bring them on board, I need everybody to be on board. You know what? Let me just drop a call because this morning we had Coach Jekken come in, and she introduced herself, but we're not so much on the call. And it's this evening again, and when everybody's on the call. See something. I'm gonna be sharing with you guys, yeah. When opportunities show up, if you're not active, you're not active. I will not be held, I will not be held liable for you not being active on the trade or being active in the community. You understand? When opportunities show up and you're not online, it's not my fault. Show up when we have class, show up when we need to work, get things done. Do you understand me? So you guys should show up. Basically, yes. I need you guys to show up when you need to show up. That being said, I'm gonna bring our coaches on stage right now. Yes, I'm gonna bring them on stage right now in the next few minutes. Before I do that, before I do just that, if I do just that, I want to talk to you guys quickly about the mind, basically about the mind. For the better part of the last 3 days, yes, I've come to realize that because of the fact that we are, trying to do something great here, get me? Some of us or all of us are somewhat too expectant, and it's not a good thing. Listen, I'm speaking base the link. Someone is asking for the link on the WhatsApp community. Someone should direct her to the YouTube channel, please. That being said, let's continue, please. I realize that most times, most of us, we are victims. We are victims of our mindset. Yes, we are victims of our mind. Yes, basically, our mind in the sense that, see, we are one of the we are the only creature who can think about our thoughts. Do you know? I'm being very serious with you now. Go check it online. We are the only creatures who can think about our thoughts. For instance, I may be thinking like, oh God, my life is not going as well as I want to. I can be like, oh, mom, I want to buy this Rolls Royce. And I can be like, in my same mind, what are you doing with the Rolls Royce? How do you need the Rolls Royce? Do you understand? So we can always question our own thoughts. Yes. So now, when you can always question your thoughts, but you choose not to question your thoughts every single time, and just choose to let your thoughts be the leader of everything you do, you end up risking your own growth, in the sense that the mind can be a very, very confusing and manipulative place. Yes, it gives us a lot of false informations and whatnot. And if you don't question some of this information, yes, if you don't question some of these informations, you could end up doing wrong things. For instance, please guys, I think I forgot something. ASAP. I think I forgot something. Jesus. Okay. Man, I think I forgot something. Please give me a minute. Let me just quickly call someone. While I'm trying to make this call, let me bring on our tutors. Yes, we have Coach FX Big Don in the building, and we have Coach ADC in the building. Please turn on your cameras and talk to us, guys. Talk to us. Please, FX Big Don, go ahead first.
Alpha, my G. Hey, what's up, guys? How do you guys use this? This is my first time using this. What's the name of? Can everybody hear me?
100, sir. Yes, sir. We can hear you.
What's the name of this?
Ski.
What will be the name of this? Is this site or what would I call it?
Okay, it's called StreamYard.
Stream. This is my first time using it. So
Yeah, yeah.
how many participants do we have? I'm not seeing anything. I'm just seeing you and anyone.
Yeah,
Is there anyone?
So it's basically streamed to YouTube directly. Yes, so they are seeing you, but you are not seeing them.
Oh, they are seeing from
So
YouTube.
who you're yes, from YouTube directly, but you are not seeing them. So you're just seeing myself, yourself, and then Coach DC, just the three of us. But they are seeing all of us.
So are we talking about chats or we are talking about what are we talking about?
We already spoke about it. I just need you guys, we want to welcome you guys to the float. You guys are going to be the one that are going to give us money we're going to make. So let us match the name to the let's match the face to the name.
You said what? Wait till you talk.
I said let's match the face to the name, my boss. Yes. But let me just do a quick introduction. So guys, this is Coach. FX Big Don. Someone put Big Don in the comment section. Put Big Don. If you guys don't put Big Don, you guys are not ready to make money. Put
Don't
Big
worry,
Don
I'm
in the
not.
comment
I'm.
section.
I'm not going to say much, but I promise you fire analysis. Don't worry, fire insights, fire knowledge, fire
Fall on
signals.
me, oh. Fire.
Is it
Fire.
just me? Is it just
Solid.
me of this week? This week has been a bit dry.
Okay.
I think this week is just like
do you know what I was saying? Before you came on the
this
call,
week is trying to make up for next week.
Before you guys came on the call, I was just telling them that we've not made money this week at all. We've not traded this week. And after waiting for 3 days, the market missed us by two pips today. That this week is dry. And you just came to confirm it. Like this week is quite dry. I'm not even gonna lie, guys. Like
it's dry, very dry. In fact, I had to go to the crypto market to just check some kind of if it's the same on the crypto market, but I think it's everywhere. Do we have any crypto traders in the participants? Or is everybody just Forex? Can you hear me?
yes, I can hear you. Please come again.
I said, do we have any crypto traders? Or everybody are just strictly Forex? Or just gold?
From my experience, we all trade forex. You understand? We looked at BTC today, so we are somewhere there. Anything you have for us, please put us on it. Put us on it.
Okay.
Do you understand me?
Okay, will I have to share my screen or what?
I mean, yeah, you definitely need to share your screen, but I mean, I know that you want to basically destroy everywhere, but please hold the fire inside. You guys don't know what Big Don has come to give you guys. But let's first let Coach ADC speak before you get into the chat and we do all of the juicy stuff. Oh, juicy stuff. Yeah. So guys, this is once again, this is Coach FX Big Don. He's gonna be taking us on some of the classes. He's gonna be driving some trade calls for us in the community. And once again, we're all gonna be together, doing what we need to do together and what's going together. So let's put our hands together once again for him. Let's put our hands together once again for him. Thank you so much. So on to Coach ADC. Coach ADC, are you on the call with us, please? Are you on the call with us? Let us know. Welcome to.
What up? What up? What up? Good evening, everyone.
Yeah, good evening, good evening, good evening. Do you see that's the voice of a big man? Good evening, everyone.
Hope you all are good, right?
Yeah, please, you will need to disconnect your one device. Okay, okay, okay.
Is it the
All right.
network?
Yeah, I think he was joining with two devices.
Or will you disconnect me to connect him?
No, don't worry. We can have everyone on board. So we have people who said what? We have people who say forex, you understand, and whatnot. So we are basically forex traders. So basically, there's really nothing much to it. We all trade forex, we all trade crypto. Yes, but this evening session is more or less like a review session. So we're gonna be having two sessions every day, like I already mentioned to you guys before we call. I said we're gonna be having morning sessions and we're gonna be having evening sessions. Morning sessions are when we're gonna do chart analysis, breakdowns, and whatnot. Evening sessions are when we're gonna be doing journaling and whatnot. Do you understand? So we're going to be having two sessions day in, day out, two sessions every day. Yeah. So right now we are not looking. We're just going to be looking at our trade from this morning, and we're looking.
What time?
Look at our trade. So the calls are twice in a day, 9 a.m. and 9 p.m. 9 a.m. and 9 p.m. Yes, twice in a day. Okay, Coach ADC, can you hear us?
Yeah, can you guys see me?
Yeah, we can't see you actually. See your camera is.
I think this is from the settings.
Okay, no problem. Just probably fix it. But I mean, you can speak. Why we can see you, so speak. We can hear you, so speak.
Which app will carry us go like this, Chairman?
All of these guys are not exposed. These are all these local rich men who have money, but they don't know what's going on.
You just say no with this app. They do stuff. A boys town.
No.
Let you talk.
No.
You just say no with this app. They give sub. W to
No, no, that one at TikTok.
No, TikTok with that one, no. I don't be TikTok.
Please, please, guys. All right.
No, with TikTok they give sub.
No.
No. There is no sub here. The only sub here is peeps. If it's not making sense, then we're not counting it in peeps, right? So basically, yeah, we have Coach Boys Town and we have Coach ADC on the call. I believe we met Coach ADC in the morning, as well as Coach JK in the morning. She's not on the call right now because she's currently occupied, right? But I mean, these are the fantastic guys that are gonna be putting you guys on what you need to know, yes, for the next 27 days, yes, because man, we have a lot of things to do together, we have a lot of things to achieve together. You understand me? But like you see, someone like me, I mean, like I said earlier, I was trying to say that I'm a very, very conservative nigga. You understand, guy? Rather, I'm very chill. I'm very patient. I can basically wait the whole of this week and not take a trade. If you know me, you know. Yes, but maybe while I'm waiting, maybe Coach FX Big Don could see a trade and say, "Oh, guys, let's sell XYZ trade and we make money." Do you understand me? So, like we had a class earlier this morning. We spoke about forex. We spoke about everything forex entailed. Basically the AO beginner crash course, right? The next class we're having on Friday, and you're gonna have one of them up on Friday, walking you guys through what you need to know on how to basically play around the market. Since concept like liquidity, like supply and demand, support and resistance. Somebody will be taking you on this particular concept for you to understand it better. You understand me, guys? I will not be the only one. So the beautiful thing to it is this: if you eventually don't understand when I take you on something, you can always ask someone else, please, could you explain XYZ to me? Do you understand? I can say, oh, I need Coach ADC, Coach Jaken, Coach Big Don to help me to explain supply and demand zones, entry and exits, psychology, and whatnot. You understand? So it's not something that you have to be so stressed about. You get me, guys? So I mean, it's really great. It's like what's about to happen in the next 27 days is crazy. The last 3 days has been somewhat dull, and I'm happy that Coach Big Don came on board, and without even asking, he said it already that the market seems a bit slow. Yes, it's slow this week. There is no clear setup, there is no clear direction. And I remember telling someone some weeks ago that one of the participants, I told him, I believe over the weekend or Monday, I said to him that there is no need to what there is no need to jump on a trade. Do you understand? There's no need for us to be in a haste to make money. Listen to me, guys. When you know that you can create wealth, you are in no rush to make it. Like you see, there is no need. See, listen to what I'm about to say. There is no pride in being the first to lose your money. I'll say it again. There is no pride in being the first to lose your money. There is only pride in what's being patient. Because listen to me, the market pays patience more than it pays impatience. The market pays indiscipline more than it pays impatience. See, you can be indisciplined and still make money as a trader. If you're impatient, you will lose everything you have. I'm being very real with you guys. Very real with you guys. You lose everything you have. You understand? So you have to always have the mindset of what's being patient. You have to know how to say, no setup, let's not force it. You guys saw me this morning. I said, we saw a sell on gold. I was like, you know what? I don't think I want to sell this gold because I saw myself hunting for a trade. I should not hunt for a trade. Is it Temple Run? Is it Jungle? What that game? I should not be hunting for a trade now. Do you get me? I should not be hunting for a trade. Treasure hunt or something like that. You get me? So I'm like, I basically observed myself and I realized that, wait, I am doing what I should not be doing, which is what I am looking for a trade. Why? Because I want to make sure that we make money today. Yes, we got a good trade and price, if it attacked us, it would have made money. We got missed by 2 pips. But aside that, I saw myself hunting for a trade, which was wrong. So I need you guys to understand that to be a successful trader, you should never pursue trades. You should never hunt for them. Just be patient. They will come to you. Don't stress. Just know what you're looking out for. And I told you guys already, what I'm looking out for is basically what? Liquidity, structure, and POIs. Simple. Nothing more than that. Liquidity, structure, and POIs. Once I see structure, we are bullish. Okay, I look for liquidity sweep. Once I see liquidity sweep, I look for entry points. And that is it. We have a good trade. Easy peasy. And that was what we saw this morning and we made money. Well, we could have built money rather. Do you understand? But I am obviously seeing something right now that can help us make money for a fact tomorrow. If only the market will reverse to a certain level, actually. But if it doesn't, we're still going to make money. We are going to get paid. Rest assured. Yes, we are going to get paid. The rest assured, my people. Do you understand me? We are going to get paid. So that being said, let us quickly go on the charts and let us quickly look at what we had this morning. That's the trade on gold, and let's see where the market decided to play tombo with us. Yes, where the market decided to play tombo with us. Let's go see it quickly, and once we are done, we let Coach FX Big Don say a few words to us. And let's Coach ADC say a few words to us, and then we call it the night. Yes, so let's quickly do that. And I believe everyone have their journal on with them here, right? I've got my pen, I've got my book here. I'm about to journal my trade. I believe everyone have their journal with them here. Can everyone see my screen, please? Let me know. Can everyone see my screen? Can everyone see my screen? Please let me know.
No, we can't.
Can you guys see my screen now?
Yes,
Can you guys
we
talk
can.
to me in the comment section? I need to know that we are together and I'm not just speaking to Coach Big Don. Yeah, talk to me in the comment section, guys. Can you guys see my screen? Okay, I'm seeing a yes, we can. Yes, we can. Okay, Isaac says yes, we can. Favor says yes, we can. Okay, yes. Okay, I like this. Yes. That's what I like to see. That is what I like to see. Yes, we can. All right. Okay. So let's proceed. Let's proceed. Let's proceed. Let us proceed. Let us proceed. Let us proceed. Let us proceed. Oh my days. I just realized I missed the call. I missed my okay. All right, guys. Let's proceed, please. Let's proceed. Let us proceed. Let us proceed. So now we were looking at gold this morning, right? And let me remove all of this. We're looking at gold this morning, I believe. And morning, we what did we do in the morning? We were looking at gold. We said, okay, gold was coming from this point, right? Tap into this point. It was the trade we were looking at yesterday, but we did not take it. We were looking to sell gold from here, but there was no good setup to sell, and price came all the way down. Did not got in. Today again, we look for setup. Did not got in 2 days in a row. Don't worry, I understand that feeling. When you've loaded your account with money to make and market keeps playing around with you, I totally understand that feeling. I totally understand that feeling. Yes, I totally understand that feeling. But let's just see what the market did. So the market tapped into this POI here and it started rolling down, right? And I believe this morning we called two trades in the morning. We said first of all was the buy, and then we said saw a sell. The buy was what, a very short buy from this point. We said that price was going to what react, and we said, you know what, let us what take a buy, a very short buy, one is 1 week, 1 trade. Yes, but unfortunately, price did not tag us in again. So yeah, today was quite a very, very funny day. 1 trade, which was this one, which was this one. Price did not tag us in. So we're looking to first buy initially. Price didn't tag us in. We closed out our buy, and then we're looking to sell. Price still did not tag us in, and he sold. No problem. Let the market be doing his own thing. No problem. But I mean, what did we look out for in the morning? We look out for basically what structure. First of all, was what's the structure on the 4 hours time frame? That's the question you want to ask yourself every day. When you wake up in the morning, after you've done your exercise, after you've prayed, after you've what, say your affirmation. Because I say always, every morning you do these 3 things: you exercise, you pray, and then you affirm to yourself that what, you are a good trader. Because when you don't say some certain things to your own self, and the reality is not looking at it just like it's not looking at it looking like if just yet, you can tend to want to doubt the possibility of it happening. Do you understand me? But when you say something to yourself like, okay, I am a good trader, I'm a profitable trader, I am a successful trader, I am a getter of winning pips, I am a giver of winning pips, stuff like that. When you go around saying things like that to yourself day in, day out, automatically your reality begins to look like that. Do you understand? It's no longer a thing of I used to wish to. No, you're no longer wishing to be it. You're not it. Let me give you guys a simple secret. I said to you guys, the whole month of this whole year 2026, for the past 5 months, I've only had one losing month. That was March. February or March. Please, someone should remind me. When did Trump decided to bomb Iran? When did he hit him to bomb Iran? That month was February or March. I can't remember the one exactly. Which one was it, please? Anyone can talk to me in the comment section. Talk to me. Anyone in the comment section, remember when Trump went to go and drop bomb in Iran as a desert? Give them a decent delicacy to it. I mean, I feel sorry for the citizens of the country. But I mean that was the only month. Yes, that's the point I'm driving at. That was the only month I took a loss. I had a red month, yes. But aside that month, every other month has been blue. I ended the month blue, positive, blue, positive, blue, positive. Now, how did I end the month blue, positive? Is by doing what? Saying to myself every day, I am a profitable trader. I am a disciplined trader. I am a wise trader. Yes, I am a getter of winning pips. I am a giver of winning pips. People have made money for my signals, not because I am the best, or not because I know everything, no, but because what? I have God first of all, and then I affirm to myself daily that what? Anybody who chooses my signals are going to make money. Do you understand me? So affirmations basically help shape who you become, help shape your reality. When you downplay the necessity of affirmations as a trader day in, day out, you tend to what? See realities that does not look like what you are looking for in the market. Do you understand me? So after we've done all of those theory, the next thing is what you come on your chart and you look out for certain things. And basically I saw that what? First of all, from a trend standpoint, the price was bearish. Let's not even kid ourselves. Price was bearish from a trend standpoint. We're bearish. On the 4 hours time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, we're also bearish. What does a bearish market is? A bearish market is basically a market or a selling market, a market that is what? Coming down. That's what I mean by bearish. A market that is coming down is a bearish market. A market that is going up is called a bullish market. Or it's called a what? A buying market. This is called the buying market, this is called the selling market, or called the bearish market, it's called the bullish market. That being said, let's get back into what we're doing. Now you can see that the market was coming down. I believe you can see that what we were coming down. At one glance, you can see this. The market was basically coming down. We were bearish on the 1 hour time frame. On the 15 minutes time frame, we were bearish or bullish. We were also bearish. And I'm like, okay, if we are bearish across board, let's look for a sell. And then we came on the chart, right? And we said we're looking for what? Three things: liquidity, point of interest, and trend. Trend is what's bearish, beautiful. We're looking at what? Liquidity. What was the liquidity I saw? I saw liquidity on my 15 minutes, which was what? Which was this. I saw this 15 minutes liquidity. This bad boy. Price cleared this guy and what? He wrote down. This was what I saw. A sweep up and a push down. I was like, okay, perfect. I love this. This is a liquidity sweep that I want to be trading from. Now, I went to my 15 minutes. And I'm like, okay, what am I looking at for today? Where would this price come from? After this sweep, price came into this zone. Yes, this is a point of interest now. We could have sold from here, but I don't fancy this kind of trades. Price tapped into it and sold. I'm okay with price moving. And price did all of this and got to our own point of interest on the 5 minutes time frame. Seeing all of this happening, we're like, okay, we should get a trade. Now we've seen trend, we've seen liquidity, right? Now we're looking for point of interest. Do you understand? Trend was what? Bearish. Liquidity was what? Liquidity was this sweep here. Now we're looking for what? We're looking for point of interest. Now I keep saying, do not try to understand everything today. As we go, you're going to grow. You understand more on liquidity as we go. You understand more on QI as we go. You don't need to understand everything today. You can ask your basic questions, but not everything, because it's going to confuse you. You get me? Now you can see that what the market came into this point, and what happened? We basically were tapped into. If we were using a 10 minutes time frame, we would have gotten tagged in. Yes, because it was a 10 minutes zone here. But we're using the 5 minutes rather. And what price gave us a good entry pattern, a very decent entry pattern. Alongside aligning with what? The 15 minutes candle. You guys remember when I said, let's go look at the 15 minutes candle in the morning? I was like, let's go look at the 15 minutes candle and see what the market has to offer us. That candle was the determinant of whether or not we're going to make money today or not. And we saw something that looks somewhat like a bearish trend. Yes, remember we saw something like a bearish candlestick. And what happened? Price sold today. Yes, price sold today. This is me giving you guys everything I used to trade. I'm not hiding anything here. This is basically how I look at the markets every day. I'm not even sugarcoating or boycotting anything. This is how I look at the markets day in, day out. Day in, day out. Look at the markets this way. Day in, day out. Yes, day in, day out. So look at the 15 minutes candle. It gave us this shooting star. And I'm like, okay, beautiful. If we have a shooting star, that is a very signal candle. We are going to be selling. And what happened the rest of the day? Price sold. Do you understand? So it's not really that the candlestick confirmation works, no, but it works some days. At least out of every 5 days in a week, 3 days in a week it works. Do you understand? And I usually 3 days in a week successfully. Do you understand me? So that being said, yes, Yinka, liquidity, trend, and point of interest. Exactly. I love that. That's basically what I look out for. Now, with that being said, we're looking at what? Selling from this particular point of interest. Yes. And what happened? The market came. If you can, let me zoom in. If you can see that what we waited for was for price to tap into this level. The market was just 2 pips away from our entry. 2 pips. And after not tagging us in, it sold heavily. This could have been what you guys' first profit of the week, and immediately you guys made the money out. I said, withdraw your money, go spend it on something. Now, I'm going to quote one of my famous mentor, I would say tutor rather, what's it called? Ideology or advice. He says, the best way to invest your money is to spend the money. Spend it on yourself. If you make money in Forex market, I promise you, the best way to conserve it is to spend it on yourself. Don't let anybody tell you anything. If the money enter, spend it. Guys, go and buy what you want to buy. Trust me, it takes a certain level of grit and doggedness to make money in these markets. You would not understand, because Probably you are at the beginner stage, and you some of you have not really have to go through the struggle of making money in the market. But when you go through the struggle of making money in the market, yes, in depth, you realize that to make $1 in this market can cost you $100, even $1,000. If you experience that, put yes sir in the comment section. If you experience such scenario, put yes sir in the comment section. Whereby you try to make $10, but you ended up losing more money. Try to make $1, but you end up losing more money. Put yes sir in the comment section. Let me know. Put yes sir. Put yes sir. Put yes sir in the comment section. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. I'm not moving forward if I don't get a response. If no, if not, say no, sir. Say no, sir. Let's know. Let's know. Let's know. Let's know. Let's know where we are. Let's know what's going on. Let us know what's going on. Let's know what's going on. Let's know. Let's know. Let's know what's going on. All right, guys. Sorry about that. I have to quickly attend to something very, very important. What's going on? So let's proceed. Let's proceed. Yes. I have to quickly attend something in my environment. Someone said yes, sir. Yes. So he has experienced what trying to make a little money but losing everything, losing a lot more. Now that being said, we consider what the markets, the markets basically the market basically did what market basically what came shy of our entry and what is sold off massively. And as a result, we were not able to make money today. But nonetheless, we're going to make money tomorrow. I can assure you that the market is going to present something delightsome to us. And then once it has done that, we are obviously going to make money of it. Yes. So up until then, let's just be patient. Let's just be calm. Let's wait for the market to do its thing. Do you guys understand? Waiting for the market to do its thing. But that's all for the market walkthrough for today. Yes. Any question from anyone before we hand over to Coach ADC to give us a few minutes passing word and we call it a night. Yes. Any question from anyone, please? Any question from anyone? Let me know. Any question from anyone? Let me know. ASAP. Coach ADC, while we're waiting for a question, please you can go ahead and give us some parting words, probably something to think on to over the night into tomorrow morning when you're going to come on chat once again and probably dissect it after us. Please, any parting words from you?
Okay, thank you for giving me this platform to talk. Well,
Thank you very much, sir.
the thing there is, I'm not going to sugarcoat anything, right? And one thing is for you to be taught how to trade. Another thing is for you to actually put in the work
Hmm.
in mastering what you have been taught. You get, so this, at the end of the day, it all boils down to you versus you. You are being taught how to trade. It doesn't mean or guarantee your success or you'll be profitable. The answer is no. Whatever you'll be taught is more like a roadmap on which you have to build on. You get, if you actually want to succeed in trading, you need to master yourself. You need to master yourself. And there is this popular thing I always say: learn the way and find your own way. You get, what
Mm.
do I mean?
Please say that again. Someone should put sense in the comment section, guys. Put sense. Put
Learn the way
sense. Please say that
and
again. Say
find
that
your
again.
own way. Because if you watch brother pick, the person you learn
Yeah.
from, is that how you trade? Like, do you trade the person's style of trading 100%?
No, 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 no,
Even me too. The person I learn from, I don't trade like him 100%. There might be kind of similarities and all that, but not 100%. So it all boils down to you. We'll teach you what works. Then you will now have to spend the time on chat. There are some there are some observations, there are some things you learn personally which you can't find on YouTube, which someone can't teach you. You have to learn them. Now you learning them is you mastering yourself, then you know the best approach that suits you as an individual. Once you now know the approach that suits you, then you can now build an edge. Now what I'm saying is there's a strategy and there's an edge. Strategy is
Hmm.
more like overall thing.
Sorry. So you guys don't want to put sense in the comment section, Abi? I have to beg you put sense. No, no, I have to beg you to put sense now. No, I have to beg you
Strat-
guys to put sense. Oh yeah, I beg. Please put sense for your own self. Put sense. Put sense for your own self.
there is
Eh?
strategy and there's an edge. The difference now is in strategy now, well, let's say smart money concept, when you see liquidity sweep, you see break of structure, you see inducement, you see POI. That is just the general rule guiding smart money concept. Some people may want to sugarcoat it and call it advanced. So you having an edge is, for instance, what time frame will you be looking at? That is an edge, not strategy. What time frame will you be looking at? That is one. Then number two, having an edge is okay. There are some certain things price will do which will fail that setup. It could be where price is coming from. Let's say for instance you may have all your analysis may align, liquidity sweep, break of structure, inducement, POI, but if you don't know where price is actually coming from, it might be, because one thing you also need to know is that the area where price is coming from can actually break that level or not. If that area is coming from is strong, it will break that your POI. But if it is not strong, that POI will hold. So all these things are things you actually find out yourself, when to wait for um confirmation and when not to wait for confirmation. So all these things are things you need to find out yourself. That is called an edge. An edge is not strategy. An edge is your set of rules guiding that strategy. That is called edge. Set of rules.
He
Your
was one
own
that
set.
taught me how to trade, though. In case you guys don't know, he
Don't,
taught me how to trade. Listen to
don't
me.
mind me, please. So edge is okay. These are strategies. Edge are things you took from that strategy and you make it
Hmm.
you personalize it. So that is an edge. Just as me now, I trade smart money concept, but I also have an edge in smart money concepts. There are things I actually look out for. You get, so I think that is a lot of things has to be said, but I think I'll stop here. Eh,
You,
I'll
you
stop
guys are
here
in
for
for a nice one. You're
I'll
in for a
stop
nice one.
here
But I
for
mean, I don't want to
now.
hold anyone longer than we have. It's almost 10 p.m. You guys need to rest. You guys need to get ready and sound for work tomorrow. And definitely, we're all gonna reconvene in the morning to make money and do as we do normally. Yes. But any questions should be sent on the WhatsApp community. Yes. I'm gonna answer the questions on the WhatsApp community before I go to bed. Yes. But I will be offline really soon. But that with that being said, I hope you guys have funded your account because we're going to make money tomorrow. I'm very sure the market should give us a good setup tomorrow. We're going to make money tomorrow. If you've not opened an account yet, I send the link on the community. Go open an account. We are all using Headway in this particular platform for a particular reason, for ease. Yes, for ease. We're all using Headway. Yes, so please
And,
and please and please go sign up and let's go sign up and let's basically make things work in a nutshell. Yes. So that being said, my
yeah,
guys, I need to, please, do you have anything else to say, Coach ADC, before I call it a night? Because I need to run into another meeting next 1 minute.
No, other than NFP will favor us.
Hey, hey man. In case you don't know what NFP means, NFP simply means news. News will favor us. All right, my guys. So, people, good night. Have a blessed evening. Rest well. Stay sound. Tomorrow we're gonna meet again and we're gonna make money. Till we see you tomorrow, guys. Bye for now.
All right, bye.